Hey guys, it is January the 5th, 2025. Worked again last night, night 4, 3 more to go, so I'm over the halfway mark. Gonna do a quick little video this morning for you down at Boggy Point Boat Launch. A little warmer today, it's in the mid 50s, going down to around 20 tonight, so it's gonna be a cold week coming up here in Orange Beach. Starting to sprinkle and rain a little bit, so this will be a quick little look around at Boggy Point for today's daily vlog. Thank you for watching. Wind's starting to really pick up. As you can see, the Boggy Point boat launch here in Orange Beach has a much smaller parking lot and fills up quite quickly. There's the Perdido Pass Bridge. Sorry for the wind noise. And the two islands right there are Robinson and Bird Island. Across the way there is Sportsman Marina. This boat launch does have 2 launches here. Rain's starting to pick up a little bit more. There's a map to give you an idea. Boggy Point marked there with a red arrow. Bird Island, Robinson Island, and Walker Island back there. Walker Island is a private island, and no dogs or pets are allowed on the islands or the surrounding waters there. There is a bird sanctuary. The little sailboats on the map there designate canoe launch points for a canoe trail they do here in Orange Beach. And here's the rules for here. Even an overcast, rainy day is still beautiful. No restroom facilities here. There are a couple of porta potties over there across the parking lot. And that's just a quick little look here at Boggy Point on a rainy Sunday morning. Thank you for watching my daily vlogs.